Water and nature. Vital resources to life as we know it. Finite resources shared amongst communities, wildlife, biodiverse ecosystems, and industry. These vital and shared resources are facing significant global challenges. By as soon as 2025, 2/3 of the world's population could be facing water shortages. And by the end of this decade, fresh water demand could outstrip supply by 40%. Dow is committed to holistic climate protection, addressing water and nature alongside CO2 emissions, three inextricably linked facets of climate change mitigation and adaptation. To reflect our comprehensive approach and commitment, we are expanding our Protect the Climate target, introducing new milestones aligned with climate adaptation. By 2030, we will implement a robust land management strategy. Our top water-dependent sites will have water stewardship plans, and 10 of those sites will be water resilient. By 2035, all of our sites will have water stewardship plans. By 2050, we will partner to conserve 50,000 acres of habitat, and our top 20 water-dependent sites will be water resilient. We will get there through collaborative action. Our collective efforts will support watersheds and healthy ecosystems that benefit all who rely on them. Dow's ability to deliver a sustainable future depends on a balanced relationship with water and nature.